only the names of candidates wey emerge from democratic primaries wey concern Sec 84 of the Electoral Act of 2022, Naim party go submit to us, INEC, as we don announce new date for submission of president candidates running mates. Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) don announce Friday, June 17, 2022 as the deadline for political parties to submit the list of their presidential candidates, their vices and others. Say as for governors and House of Assembly, dem go upload the list of their candidates from July 1st to 15, 2022. INEC Chemo, Professor Mahmood Yakubu, Naim talk this one for one meeting with resident electoral commissions for Abuja on Thursday. Yakubu kon tok say na only the names of candidates wey emerge from democratic primaries when Sec 84 of the Electoral Act 2022 provide dem go submit. Say dem train 4 officials each from 18 political parties to fit upload the nomination forms for the web portal. Say dem don set up nomination center for the commission headquarters wey go receive and process all the nominations by the political leaders. Ebu Sereme Obinome, TMC TV News.